Today we're going to talk about staff and faculty planning. Universities need to plan headcount as well as salary, benefits, taxes, and other employee-related costs across colleges and departments. Here with Adaptive, we can integrate HR and payroll systems to pull in employee data and utilize, multiple fringe benefits rate. You may start off your analysis in a dashboard where you're looking at the share of costs associated with the executives versus the staff and faculty, overall labor costs, looking at long-range trends over time, being able to analyze the data. You might want to do some what-if analysis on the fly and be able to say, what if we hire a new faculty employee for one reason or another? I can go in directly from the dashboard and be able to open up my planning sheet. I'm going to expand that to make it a little bit larger so we can see the full sheet. Here we have a roster of the individuals coming from our payroll system and the metrics that are associated with those individuals. You can have different positions, classes, budget types, priorities, and so forth within your columns. You get to define this based on your reporting and analysis requirements. Notice there's multiple date times that allow you to put start dates and end dates in there for reallocations of resources or retirements, and it gives you the capability to add splits. You'll see Lucian is in here multiple times. Lucian is doing research as well as some teaching and is being funded by separate grants and so forth. So this allows you to be able to allocate individuals' expenditures across multiple projects or funding sources and be able to allocate it and change it over time as things go on. Additionally, we talked about assumptions for different metrics. If you come in here and right-click on this column, you can go in and look at row details. So row details is going to give you the information that's calculated for all those various assumptions for both taxes and benefits and anything else that you want to put in here, and see the aggregations immediately in real time, which automatically flow to your full statement of activities. If I want to come in here and add a new hire, it's very simple to just add a row. I can copy a row as a starting point and be able to just type in simply new hire. You'll notice everything changes to blue, and I can adjust this accordingly. I'm just going to keep this for the sake of demonstration purposes. And when I save that, it's going to save and it's going to automatically update all my charts and graphs in real time. So as I close that and minimize that sheet I made the changes on, you'll see all the labor costs, the trending, and so forth are automatically updated. Hopefully this is helpful.